4 people were killed when a helicopter crashed Sunday afternoon in Northern California, authorities said. Colusa County Sheriff's deputies and Sacramento River Fire Division personnel discovered the bodies after they responded to a report around 1:15 p.m. that a helicopter had gone down near a highway in the small town of Colusa, about 70 miles northwest of Sacramento, the sheriff said in a statement. The National Transportation Safety Board, which is investigating the crash with the Federal Aviation Administration, said the helicopter was a Robinson R-66. Robinson Helicopter Company described the R-66 as a 5-seat turbine helicopter powered by a Rolls-Royce turboshaft engine. No further details were immediately available.